Hello everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we have engineer Wang to demonstrate the simulated cutting process on the EPS CNC cutting machine before the actual cutting. Steps for simulated cutting. 1. Open the drawing software and create the desired shape to be cut. In this video, we use a square as an example. Save the shape as a DXF file and then close the drawing software. 2. Open the CNC cutting machine software. Click Open File to import the saved shape. Click on Simulate to start the simulation of the cutting process. Then click on Stop and Cut to heat up the system. The machine will start cutting according to the imported shape. Three. Click on Control Configuration in the upper left corner to open the parameters. The parameters have already been set. If there is any deviation, enter the password to make modifications. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.